Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off move repeat scanning on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the switch control. Then in this part in the switch control, go to timing section and then tap the move repeat. Then in this part in the move repeat, as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. When the move repeat is enabled, the delay before move to next or previous item is repeated while a switch remains pressed. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button just like this. And that's what we have successfully turned on and off move repeat scanning on iPhone X. If you have a question, get a comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!